Hello, I'm Gatin Pimentel, and this is the second intermediate milestone for CS6460 Educational Technology. My application is a web-based assistant to help educators design gamified learning activities centered on equity, inclusion, and cultural responsiveness. So this is the landing page that the user will first see whenever they launch the application. Then they'll click the login button, type in their credentials. Currently, this doesn't work. It doesn't have any backend to support it. It's simply just a front end interface. And whenever they log in, they'll be able to view their past designs, which also currently does not work. I just need to provide the back end and implement a database to fix that. So whenever the user wants to create a new design, they'll click this button, and depending on the gamification elements they want to incorporate into their product, they'll click. So, like, for instance, if they want to add badges or leaderboards or points or story narratives, they can pick and choose whichever ones they want. So let's say they want to add badges, leaderboards, and points. Continue, and depending on which ones they choose, the, they will pop up in the customize elements page. So, like, if we go back and let's choose badges and story narratives this time, it would only include badges and story narratives within the customize elements page. So whenever the user gets this page, they'll add the name of the badge, the value and the badges, the name of the badges, the value and criteria of the badges, and the equity prompt, just basically explaining how the specific badge supports equity. And once these elements are filled out, the user would then click continue, and this will be the equity checklist and reflection that the user has to complete in order to finish their product. And it's very similar to the first intermediate milestone that I completed. It just asks you some very straightforward but more thought-provoking questions. Does this design provide multiple means of engagement? And that's just a binary yes or no question. Are accessibility considerations included? Same, it's just a binary true yes or no question. Are culturally relevant materials incorporated? And lastly, does this design avoid reinforcing the stereotypes? And all four of those questions are yes or no types of questions, and the last two are more open-ended. The first one being, what might you change to make this design more inclusive? And the second question is, what challenges did you encounter applying equity principles? And whenever these questions are answered, and the user would click finish, and they'll be redirected to the landing page that we were at the beginning of the video. And once I'm able to fully implement the backend and the database, the user will be able to view the past designs that they just submitted. Like, for example, the one we just completed, we'd be able to view in this past design. But first I have to implement some sort of account capability within the application, attaching these past designs to a certain account. So that's all that I have for now, and thank you for your time.